Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use your Capital One Savor virtual card. If you've got this card, you're in for a treat because it's a game changer for secure online shopping. Let's jump right in. First off, what's the Capital One Savor virtual card? It's a digital version of your physical Savor card, offered by Capital One. This virtual card generates temporary card numbers for one-time use, helping you avoid exposing your real card details and reducing the risk of fraud. Perfect for those big online purchases. To get started, make sure you have the Capital One mobile app downloaded on your phone. Once you're logged in, head to the Cards section and look for the virtual card option. If it's your first time, you might need to activate it. It's as simple as verifying your identity with a quick tap or code. Now, for the fun part, generating a virtual card number. Tap on Generate Virtual Card, and the app will create a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV just for that transaction. Copy these details and use them when checking out on any website. Remember, each virtual number is single use, so for your next purchase, just generate a new one. One of the best features is added security. If something sketchy happens, you can easily freeze or delete the virtual card without affecting your main account. Plus, with the Savor Card's rewards on dining and entertainment, you'll earn cash back on every safe purchase. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always double-check the virtual details before entering them to avoid any errors. And if you're new to Capital One, consider signing up. It's worth it for the perks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.